Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share a thought in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there, and right next to it, you'll see text that says what's up. This is Facebook's feature that lets you share quick thoughts and updates with your friends directly through Messenger, making it easy to let people know what you're up to without posting to your main feed. Now go ahead and tap on what's up to proceed. This action will open up a new interface where you can create and customize your thought. It's a simple and interactive way to express yourself, and your friends will see your update in their Messenger chats, keeping everyone connected in real time. Next, you'll see a cloud shape icon on your screen. This is the thought bubble where you'll type what's on your mind. Tap on this cloud shape to activate the text input field. This feature is designed to make sharing thoughts quick and visual, giving your message a fun conversational feel. Once the text field appears, go ahead and input your thoughts. For example, you could type something like dreaming to share what you're currently thinking about or feeling. This is where you personalize your update, so feel free to get creative or keep it simple. Whatever you type here will be displayed as your current thought to your Messenger contacts. After you've entered your text, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Tap on this button to post your thought. This action instantly shares your update with your friends on Messenger, allowing them to see what's on your mind. The process happens quickly, so your thought will appear in your status right away, and that's it. You've successfully shared a thought in Facebook Messenger, giving your friends a glimpse into what you're thinking or feeling at the moment. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.